The headlines: Robbers attack gold merchant in Hampankatta. Flee with ornaments, leaving merchant injured. Seminar on Berry's contribution to Kannada literature conducted. And school launches campaign against global warming in the city. It was July 16th, Wednesday night, when Ishwar Purwal, a gold merchant from Rajasthan, was in for a fatal surprise. As he was walking down the market road towards the Hampankatta signal, he was attacked by unidentified robbers who relieved him of ready-made gold ornaments weighing about 1,600 grams worth over rupees 2 lakh. What seems to be a pre-planned operation, the robbers reportedly attacked the merchant with a wooden club before snatching a suitcase from him containing ornaments and boarded a car that was waiting for them at the Hampankatta signal. The police suspect that the gang had 4 members. The police said that the robbers escaped in a Maruti Sen car that had been parked facing the Hampankatta circle. Ishwar Purwal, who has been seriously wounded in the incident, has been admitted to the district Venlock hospital. He has sustained wounds to his head and his chest. The doctors are said to have informed the police that although he is out of danger, he is not in a position to speak as yet. Ishwar arrived in the city from Mumbai on Tuesday, July 15th and had sold ornaments to various shops here in Mangalore. He was returning to his room in a lodge after delivering ready-made ornaments to a shop located on the market road in the city when the robbers struck. It is learned that Ishwar used to come to the city frequently to sell gold ornaments. Banda police have registered a case.
ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ 9:05ಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವರು ಬರುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಮಾರುತಿ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ್ದು 800 ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ್ದು ರೆಡ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಹಿಂದಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹೊಡೆದು ಒಬ್ಬ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಮತ್ತು ಇವರು ಹೊಡೆದು ಅವನ ಸೂಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಲಾಡ್ಜ್ 15 ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನವರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್.
The Akhila Bharata Berry Parishad, in collaboration with the Berry Adhyayana Kendra, conducted a seminar on the contribution of berries to Kannada literature in Mangalore on Wednesday, July 16th. Speaking on the occasion, writer Ishmat Fajir said that the research has to be made to dig out contributions of Berry community in Kannada literature. He opined that Hale Kannada, folk and oral traditions must be revisited and study should be done in these areas with respect to Berry contributions. Literary personalities such as B.M. Idinabba, Bolawur Muhammad Kunni, Fakir Ahmad Katpadi, Sara Abubakar and the like are examples from the Berry community who have contributed much to modern Kannada literature, he observed.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಾನಪದ ಲೋಕದ ಅನಭಿಷಿಕ್ತ ದೊರೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದವರು ಮರ್ಹೂಮ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕರೀಂ ಖಾನ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಎಂಬುದು ವಿವಾದಾತೀತ ಸತ್ಯ. ಸಮುದಾಯದ ತಲೆತಲಾಂತರಗಳಿಂದಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣಾದ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೂಲ ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳಾದ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಗಳ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಾನಪದ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದಿರಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯಿಕ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಗಳು ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ನುಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳನ್ನು.
2 books were released on the occasion. Former member of the Zilla Panchayat T. Hussain Gurupura released Sthiti Gati, a compilation of articles by journalist Hamza Malar, while Novu Nalivu, an anthology of stories by Mariam Ismail Ullal Bail, was released by Anupama monthly sub-editor Sabiha Fatima. Akhila Bharata Berry Parishad President B.A. Muhammad Hanif presided over the function. Kendra Berry Parishad Vice President B.A. Akbar Ali, Muslim Merchants Association President Ali Hassan, former member of the Taluk Panchayat N.E. Muhammad, former Vice President of Gurpur Gram Panchayat U.P. Ibrahim Addur were present on the occasion.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relicious a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, More picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties. Exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8, 42214 Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
The Canara English Higher Primary School, Dongarkeri, has launched a campaign to create awareness regarding global warming in the city. A press conference was conducted at the school on Thursday, July 17, wherein the management of the school proposed the measures taken by the school as part of the awareness campaign. A roadshow and a stage program will be conducted by the students of the school in connection with the campaign on 25th and 26th of July respectively. The students will also submit a memorandum addressed to the Prime Minister through the local administrator, Deputy Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao.
Thereby creating floods leading to the rise in sea level water, which causes sea erosion. Groundwater level is going to go down, creating drought conditions. Temperature rise will result in food crop yield going down, and it is observed that the increase in global temperature has provided a suitable environment for the disease-carrying germs and insects to breed extensively, and the percentage of epidemics has gone up. According to the research done in America, many cities in the coastal region across the world will submerge under water, and sea level is going to go by approximately 20 feet in the next 50 years. 40% of South Pole, 40% of North Pole, and 40% of the Himalayan glaciers are already melted. These are all approximate figures which have come out from the research in America. We would like to save this what is left and to avoid the disaster coming our way and save this land for our future generations.